Okay, you guys, my name is Charmaine Marie. I am back with another intuitive message, okay? And this is actually going to be titled A Treasured Possession. Now, I want to read this download that God had gave me, okay? And I'm just going to talk for a few minutes about you being a treasured possession, right? Because maybe other people don't tell you a treasured possession. Maybe you know you a treasured possession, okay? Because we know that God set apart the godly for himself, right? And anything that God set apart for himself is treasure, right? So listen to this. You have to learn how to celebrate your successes, okay? Even if people ain't told you, job well done, okay? You don't need nobody to solidify you, okay? Or to praise you, okay? Listen, you praise yourself. You celebrate your successes, okay? Give yourself the credit and acknowledge your strength, okay? And your success, okay, is necessary if you want to rebuild your confidence, right? If you want to rebuild your confidence, your self-worth, okay? Acknowledge your strength. Acknowledge everything you've had to overcome to get to where you at today, okay? After suffering from narcissistic abuse, right? You still who you are today, okay? You still alive. You still breathing, okay? You still a warrior. You still a survivor. You are a treasured possession, okay? Listen, you was the one that got away. Some people don't make it out of narcissistic abuse, okay? And then even if they do make it out of it, some people end up, listen, y'all, getting sick or dying, okay? I read an article about a covert narcissist the other day, okay? How his girlfriend, okay, he killed her, and then I guess they found her on the highway dead, okay? So listen. Be careful who y'all out there dealing with. That's all I'm going to say. But listen, you are a treasure possession, okay? If you were in a narcissistic relationship, you must have been invalidated regularly, okay? These people, they invalidate you to make themselves feel good, okay? Remember, though, how amazing in God's thoughts concerning you are, okay? God created your inmost being, not the narcissist. God knit you together in your mother's womb, not the narcissist, okay? You are fearfully and wonderfully made, okay? And you should know that full well. I couldn't even get the word out. Listen. Your frame was not hidden from God when you were made in the secret place, okay? This is why you a treasured possession. This is why you created by design, right? Okay, when you were woven together in the depths of the earth, God, his eyes saw your unformed body. All the days, okay, all your days ordained for you were written. Okay, this is how amazing God is. The days that ordained for you on this earth were already written in a book before you came to be, baby. This is why you created by design. Okay, you are a treasured possession. Okay, listen to this. How precious to God are your thoughts? How vast is the sum of them? Okay, if you were to count them, they would outnumber the grains of the sand. Okay, fearfully, when translated from the Hebrew, means great reverence. Great reverence. God made you with great reverence, okay? In your mother's womb. Heartfelt interest he took in you, okay? This is why you treasured, all right? And with respect. So wonderfully, when translated from the Hebrew, means unique. It means unique, baby. You unique. You treasure. You a possession. You set apart, okay? For God's use. Not man's use, but for God's use. So you are treasured. Even if you don't feel like it, listen, I'm here. God using me today, baby, to tell you that you are a treasured possession, okay? I'm going to speak it over your life for you so that you can know. Ain't nobody else got to tell you because God, he raised me up to tell you. He sent me to tell you. He sent me to open up my mouth so that I can be heard by you and tell you, baby, that you a treasured possession. Listen to this. God, come through. Listen to this, y'all. This is good. This is something I've been pondering too. God bringing, see, I got my sacred computer over here. Listen, I got all this stuff. I got to, hey, deliver. Okay. Listen to this. Each person is wonderfully made. Everybody is wonderfully made, but some people just, they don't know it. They don't know it. They walking around. See, listen, this is what happened. We just got done talking about the sexual narcissist. See, when you lay down with all of these different people, right? You leave a part of your soul with these people. This is why you got to go through that soul retrieval process. And then you got to ask God to gather up the pieces of your soul, honey, from all these other people you done laid down with, you done slept with. No. This is why people don't know that they wonderfully made. Listen. Indicating that every individual is a unique masterpiece. You a unique masterpiece. They don't make it like, listen, God, he didn't make nobody else like you, baby. He had heartfelt interest and respect when he created you. Listen, this is why you created by design. All right. Listen to this. You got your own set of gifts. You got your own abilities. You got your own characteristics. Okay. And it underscores the ideal that there is something special and remarkable about every human being. We all was created, okay, in the image of God. But everybody has different characteristics, okay, and abilities and gifts. And, you know, we look different. Hey, we shape different. We act different, okay? Nobody on the earth acts the same. Listen to this. Maybe your soulmate. I don't know. Listen to this. Okay. So each person, okay, is wonderfully made. Now listen to this. Learning how to recover, okay, from narcissistic abuse, okay, entails acknowledging your experience. So listen to this, honey. You got to still know that you are a treasured possession even after narcissistic abuse. You acknowledge the experience, you set appropriate boundaries, and you take excellent care of yourself. Yeah, you go through rapid reinvention, okay? You bring awareness to yourself, you bring transformation to yourself, honey, and then you reprogram them subconscious thoughts in your mind, okay, that the narcissist put there. Because at the end of the day, what did God say about you? He said you a treasured possession. Listen to this. Now, reaching out for support. Yep, you can reach out to support from trusted loved ones if you have any. If you ain't got any, then hey, you might have to just depend on God, all right? And listen to this. Or a therapist is also important, okay, as they can provide much needed comfort and validation, okay, and guidance, all right? Having a multitude of counselors is valuable because hearing varied viewpoints gives us a healthier foundation upon which to form opinions to move forward, okay? Where no counsel is, the people fail. He who can't be counseled cannot get help. Okay, so listen to this. If you are serious about getting your transformation after narcissistic abuse, okay, and you are aware of what you went through now, okay, and you want to go through that transformation process so you can begin to reprogram, okay, your subconscious mind, all right? You want to begin to do things God's way, right? Because he's the one who sent his word, okay, according to Psalms 107:20. He sent his word to heal you and to deliver you from your destructions, right? So make sure you reach out to me. It's going to be in the description at the below, okay? In the description, I'm going to put the link, Make sure if you are serious about getting help, okay, book a evaluation call with me, okay? Let me help you throughout your journey. In the multitude of counselors, there is safety. Okay. So that is the message that I have for you. I'm going to be back. I'm going to talk more about narcissistic abuse and toxic relationships, okay? I have to bring awareness, even through my own story, okay? I'm going to be talking about this, and I truly thank God for your support. Thank you for listening, because without you, I wouldn't be able to do what it is that He's called me to do, okay? So please, make sure you hit the notification bell every time I post a video. You'll be notified. Thank you so much for your support. I love you guys. And remember, it does not matter what anybody else say about you. The only thing that matters is what you say about yourself and what God says about you. And if He says that you are wonderfully and fearfully made, okay, you are created by design by God. And remember, you are a treasured possession.